Hello, hello. Good morning. Hola, buenos días. How's everyone doing? Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the new viewers. Okay. I'm kind of excited for today. Today, it's gonna be a great day. So yeah, I'm basically only watching like 3, 4 stocks. So it's gonna be SPY, QQQ, AI, um, Palo Alto, and Meta. So 5. Um, the easier ones are SPY and QQQ. Both are a very key support. Like SPY is at 414. If keeps holding this for 1350, 414, I can see a SPY going higher to 417 again. So you want to see a SPY holding here, that zone. The other one is QQQ. QQQ looks even better. QQQ is above the 388 resistance, and you want to see it holding that. Um, but everything is like gapping up like 10 points, 20. It's too much. Yeah, Palo Alto for upside. Okay, so basically you want to see a SPY holding 414, 1350. You want to see QQQ holding 338. Those are the main support for the entire market, basically. For Meta, I like that Meta is above 248, 250. So either Meta, I want to see it holding here 252, or I would like it more if it can go back down to 250, 249, holds there, and then keeps going up. But I kind of want to see everything like going back down, kind of chill a little bit, and then I will look for more upside. Um, AI, killer trade. If you had patience with me, I'm still holding a few from last week, but I like also AI for this week and next one. So basically, AI is at 31. I want to see it going back down to either 21 or 28 or 30. I like it more if it can go back down to 29, hold that support, and then I'll be looking for a bigger move to 33, 32. And if I see that, I want to get AI for a few for this week, but mainly my play is gonna be for next week because I think AI can give us a bigger move here. But yeah, I want to see AI going back down to 28. Nothing under 28. I want to see it at 29. 29 will be the best entry here. Um, what's the other one? Okay, I have Nvidia also on my screen, but I'm not gonna play Nvidia. Just gonna see if Nvidia is gonna hold, it's gonna go lower, because I think if Nvidia, the market is gonna move with Nvidia. So I'm just gonna have it here on my screen, but I'm not gonna play anything. I'm not gonna play Nvidia or AMD. I don't like them for plays today. Yeah. And okay, in Palo Alto. Okay, I was looking yesterday, the 30 minutes, and it had a bull flag here right below resistance. So either I would like to see it going back down to 202 or maybe 203 and hold there. And I'll be looking to play calls to till 210. Um, so yeah, those are the ones that I'm watching today. Today can be a little bit tricky because everything like moved too much pre-market. We want to have patience. wait a little bit, see what's the daily support, intraday support, and then I'm gonna be looking for calls. It's gonna be very difficult for me to play puts here because everything is too bullish to play puts. So yeah, morning, morning. Dude, today we have a lot of people here. 121. Welcome the new ones. And don't forget to give some likes. Give me some love. Like, click, click, click. You guys watching anything beside Meta, AI? Let's see, we're 2 minutes to open. If checking like 5, 4 stocks are kind of tricky for you, just have SPY and AI. Pay attention to the 414 level on SPY and I'm sorry, SPY and QQQ, and the 338 level on QQQ. Microsoft. Oh yeah, Tesla. I still have some Tesla from yesterday. Okay, I forgot Tesla. Where is Tesla on? Ooh, you want to short Tesla? Good luck with that one. Ooh, so basically, okay, Tesla is above 186, which 186 was my like main target because I wanted to play this gap fill. So it's 180 above 186. If I yeah above 186, it's gonna go to 190. Yeah, definitely it's gonna go to 190. You want to see it holding 186 for more upside. 186, even 184.30. So you want to see it holding around here. What's pre-market? Yeah, see? 185.35, which is the alert that I had because that was my gap fill. That's the pre-market support. We could go down with everything and then fill the gap that we made from last night and then keep going higher. That's another play. Yep. So yep. Spies right now at that key support. We want to see it holding here. Okay, Tesla, it looks like it wants to fill the gap to 184. I don't really scalp. I do more swing trade, longer trades. Mm, yeah, let's be a little bit patient here. We're still going down. You want to see confirmation for a hold or support or change of direction. Around 412.80, 412.50 is your gap fill on SPY. Meta, so far it's holding very good. Nvidia is straight down. Palo Alto, look, it's coming back down to my level here, 202. Yeah, everyone is taking profit. I would. That's why I think everything's going down. You don't want to risk that amount of profit just holding just for hope. Okay, I like this AI. I like this SPY. Um, I'm waiting a little bit. I'm gonna be patient here. I want to see the pre-market bounce here. I like what Meta is doing also here. Meta is holding like very good. I think, okay, Meta is stronger than Palo Alto. AI is stronger than Palo Alto. I think you did great, Pedro, if you closed everything and took some profits. I don't see why not. For which one, Dustin? For AI, I will look, if you want to take weekly, just take 30. Yeah, 30 is a good one. If I might take 32 for next week. For Meta, 255 is a good one. I like numbers ending on 5 or 0. we're still bearish. Like SPY is under 413. You want to see now SPY holding this gap fill at 412.45. Yeah, everything dropping. We need a little bit of patience. I like what Palo Alto is doing, but I'm not gonna take calls until I see SPY or NQQQ holding, like, changing direction. Yeah, both are dying. I'm not gonna play more Apple because I don't like how Apple is moving. Yeah, AI 29. We want to see holding 29. But again, we need QQQ and SPY to, like, bounce, give us some confirmation that the trend is bullish. Okay, I like what Palo Alto is doing here. Definitely holding better than the rest. Tesla's kind of holding also. Yeah. And we keep dropping. So it's only like 10 minutes after market open. So we have a lot of time. Okay, I like what AI is doing here. Um, okay, wait. I want to see AI holding here. In fact, I want to see it not only holding, I want to see kind of like making a base around this area here. I want to see it kind of holding, maybe go a little bit up, a little bit down, but I want to see it holding here for a few minutes. Okay, so SPY filled the gap and it's bouncing out of the gap. I like more what QQQ is doing because on the daily, if you see QQQ is holding the support here. It was resistant, resistant, resistant. Now we should hold here. Okay, so my support should around here. A little bit higher. Okay, here. Yeah. There. Yeah, Palo Alto. I want to see it holding around 202.30. 202.30, 202, yeah, 202.25, around there. Meta looks weak so far. I like, but I like what QQQ is doing. Yeah, spy calls, yeah. Well, if you're feeling like risky, because for calls confirmation, you wanna see it either, you wanna see it above, oh wait, above this pre-market resistance, which is 413.50, or above 90 MA and VWAP. Okay, pay attention. I like more QQQ. I want to see if this is just like a little. Oh, I want to see this candle engulfing the one before. So that's confirmation for a change of direction. And same with SPY, yeah. So Meta is definitely weaker than QQQ and SPY and Palo Alto. You know what? I'm gonna take 30 call, like 30 on AI for this week. Yeah. Mhm. And also for next week. It's my first position, so I'm gonna add more if it goes lower to 20, to if AI goes lower and fills this gap till 28, I'll be adding more. But the market still looks bearish. Yeah, I do like it. I like what AI is doing here. It's holding previous resistance. Yeah, 28 will be like the perfect entry because it fills the gap to 28 and then it can bounce here. So I I'm gonna add more if I see it going down to 28. And why I'm playing AI? Because AI is a sympathy place. It's a sympathy play from NVIDIA. And I don't want to play NVIDIA. So Palo Alto is holding very good. Meta definitely looks weaker. I think Meta is gonna want to fill this gap here till 249. Same with SPY. SPY is trying to fill the gap from last night. So we want to see a SPY holding here for 1250, around there for 1240. QQQ still needs to go a little bit lower if they're filling the gap. So QQQ will be 330, around 336. My stop loss is under 28. So wait until 28. If you like, if I play more calls at 28, my stop loss is gonna be around 27.15. Everybody's like taking profit. Like, it's normal to see a dip after such a big run. In fact, I like this dip because I think it's healthy. We can't just go high and high and high and higher. Tesla, it filled the gap here. So watch for a bounce here on Tesla because it filled the gap till 183. Okay. When is Memorial Day weekend? Is this one or next one? Okay. I mean, this is what I'm looking on AI. We just we just need to be a little bit patient. So basically right now we're holding above this resistance. If not, we're gonna go for this gap to get filled. Yeah, this is the gap. So we can either go down, fill the gap, and then bounce here. I like it more if you can hold here and that's it. But if we go down and fill the gap, I also like it there. Oh, Monday. Okay. I'm U UPST. I'm looking in a little bit because I want to see what AI is doing. It's gonna do here. Okay. UPST. Mm, why is this so slow? Mm, looks like this is a bull flag here. Yeah, definitely. Bull flagging. If you're in calls, you want to see it holding 2460. That's your support. Previous resistance. It should be your new support. If you are in calls. Yeah, and it was support here also. Yep. It has a little gap from 30 till 31. This is trading view. Palo Alto looks like it's gonna go to 210. Like that support at 202 was like perfect entry if you took that. Yep, yep. Look, this daily. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, the debt ceiling drama, it's crazy. But I think they're gonna settle in 1 week, right? Look, yeah, look this Palo Alto. That was beautiful. The retest of 20260. Yep, it's definitely going to 2010. 210, I'm sorry. Now you want to see it either breaking this pre-market high, this pre-market resistance, or if you want to enter, I will wait for 206 or breaking that 207 resistance, almost 208. I don't think it's gonna the US is gonna default. They always do the same thing, but I honestly don't care. Damn, I missed this entry. I was waiting for more. I was waiting for a spy and or QQQ to look more bullish. But that was my plan. My plan was to enter here. And I missed. Missed it. Okay, next one. The ticker is PANW. You can see it here. Yeah. Um, I really like what the spy is doing because it filled the gap and now it's bouncing from it, exactly from the gap. So you want to see that if you're playing calls. QQQ didn't fill the gap, but it's doing something better because it's holding your previous resistance. It's holding it at support. Yeah. I'm getting more AI here. I like what AI is doing. Yeah, AI. Yeah, if you can get shares, it's even better. My position, I have AI 28 calls from last week, and I bought 30 for this week and also for next one. SPY is the easier one to trade. If you can't trade SPY, how do you trade anything else? I don't know where it's when AI has earnings. On June 1st. Obviously, I'm gonna sell before earnings, like 2 days or 3 days before. So today's 25th. Yeah. Yeah, I bought AI this week and next one. Both. And I added more on this tip here. I like that the market is holding here. I do like it that the market is holding here. Profit target 30, 32. 30, 32. Yeah, 32 is a good one. Again, this is not the best entry for AI. You want to see the best entry is right at 24 after AI fills the gap and then holds there, and then you wait for confirmation for more upside. Doesn't matter what you want to know what's my average. My average I have for the 28 calls. So for this week, my average is 55. For the 30 call for this week, my average is so far 65. And for next week, my average is 237. But again, this is my starting position. I'm gonna add more when it fills this gap. You want to see something like Meta is doing. Meta is about to fill the gap and it's kind of holding there. You want to see something like that on AI. Or you can play Meta. It's pretty much the same. You can play Meta here, waiting until it fills the gap, holds here. around 249, and then you can keep going higher. I don't like trading coin. I don't like how coin move. But let's check coin. I don't know why Trading View is so slow today. Thoughts on a SPY? I said it like 1,000 times. You want to see a SPY filling the gap and holding here around 412.50 around there. Coin. I don't know. I don't see anything on coin besides it's right at support. I can see around 57 as support. If not, it's gonna go down to 54. If not, it's gonna fill the gap till 49.30. Yeah, but it's not doing anything. Like you want to see it breaking either above 63.50 or breaking down below 54. So far it's been like very boring. I was expecting much. Yeah, AI dumping. It's filling the gap, like I said. You can trade shares on TradingView. What is Nvidia doing? Oh, it's holding. Nvidia is holding very good. Yeah, you want to see it holding that 370? Here, 370, 367. Yeah, use TradingView to chart. Tesla is dead, dead. It's going back to 180. I don't know. I don't really need volume for my trading. Sometimes I use it, but I don't really need it. It's just like I don't use too many stuff. I only use support and resistance, and I have the 90 mA and the VWAP on the 5 minutes, but I don't really care much about those ones. Yeah, it's rejecting that. Yeah, a lot of people use volume. Like I sometimes I see volume on the daily. I check volume on the daily because I want to see if the daily candle is really moving by volume. So when you see, let's go with the volume thing. Um, okay, let's put volume here on AI. So for me, volume is important if you want to use it. Like I don't need to use it. But when you see a breakout like this, you want to see the volume here. When you check the volume, if it's way higher than the volume before, that's gonna tell you that the stock is gonna keep going up. That's it. Like look the volume here, like how it jumped, and the volume here was pretty much flat. It was flat here, not much. So this move with just by checking the volume is a confirmation that you're gonna have continuation. But I don't really use it because I only like I use break and retest support. I don't need to see the volume if I see like here 25 was my resistance, and we AI broke 25 with a very big candle here. So I don't need to check the volume to know that this candle is a good confirmation that AI broke 25. Guys, remember I said AI is gonna fill the gap. This is still filling the gap. Look, there's still a little bit more to go down. No, I don't trade Pfizer. I don't like how it move. I don't like trading stuff like move like $1 or $2 only. Like I know right now AI is down in a downtrend like like that. Again, I want to see it filling the gap and holding that support. And I like that SPY and QQQ both are holding. QQQ, it's holding support here. SPY filled the gap and it's holding there. So unless you see either SPY or QQQ losing that support, we are gonna keep being bearish. But if not, I'm bullish. I always trade with gaps. If we have a gap, I always think that okay, we need to fill the gap and then I'll see if we're gonna change direction there. In fact, SPY can go even to this week, which is 412.30. Either way, you want to see it holding there. That's what you want to see on SPY. QQQ is basically where it is. Yeah, Meta looks great also. It's holding, like, again, you want to see QQQ and SPY holding here. If not, we're gonna keep going lower. Everything's gonna keep going lower. But yeah, that's an ugly rejection there on SPY. Same with QQQ. Nvidia is holding very good. The gap level is this blue zone that I put here. It's basically the gap from yesterday. So we open at 30 and we closed yesterday around 27.80. So that's your whole gap. Nvidia holding here, it's very good. Like, looks kind of tempting here. Yeah, that's here around 378.40. That's your support on pre-market. So yeah, the market is not doing anything. It's so boring. I was expecting a more exciting day today. What is Palo Alto doing? We are looking weak here. MU, let's see, MU. Oh, MU, it has a gap here to go to 66.58, 66.60. So I'll be looking for that gap and then either holds there or it's gonna go back down to 65. And if it goes back down to 65, that would be a very good entry for calls because it's acting, it used to, here it was acting as resistance. Now here acted as support. So that's, you have like 1 to 3 days for MU holding 65. So that's a very strong resistance. I'm sorry, support there. So yeah, if you go back to 65, I think it's a very good risk to reward play because it can goes back down to 65 and then it can go back up to 68, 69. But I will wait until either fills this gap or goes back down to 65. It's around 65.10 around there. Yeah, you can do that. Selling premium is great. I love selling premium. I used to do it a lot. Not anymore because I don't like how we all the time have news with the Fed, with the debt ceiling, we have jobs report and all that. AIIV, yeah, maybe. Yeah, I think now it's kind of high because I used to buy it all the contracts very cheap. Maybe. Maybe they're pricing for earnings. Yeah, because they release earning before, like before the earnings. Um I think AI they release earning like the entire earning info on the 15th or it was on the 17th. One of those days. Yeah, we have too much data and too many people speaking about like important news on the US economic, so that's why I'm not really um selling premium right now. And I also used to buy like swing trades that were like weeks out or month out, and I'm not doing that anymore. What's a calendar? I don't know what's that. Yeah, both Meta and AI. I think Meta needs a little bit more, but it's right there. AI. I'm watching AI. Honestly, I'm also liking this NVIDIA. NVIDIA here looks very good, but I don't think I'm gonna play NVIDIA. Let me see how are NVIDIA contracts now. Mm. Ooh, they're expensive. Yeah. The 397.5 call on Nvidia is up 32,000%. That's insane. Now it's up 35,000%. Yeah, IV is too high. I'm not playing Nvidia. I like Spy, QQQ. I really like QQQ. Like, I think QQQ here, risk to reward is amazing. Like, your risk is gonna be only if it loses this support. And I love AI here also. AI holding 28. Great. I'm adding more AI here. Yeah, 32,000% on one contract, on a contract, that's crazy. Look, Meta is trying to bounce here out of the gap fill. Okay, I'm gonna move this out here. Okay, so we filled the gap here. So I'm gonna take this out. And now we want to see it holding here. That's your support, 2730. I'm sorry, 2780. Around there. You want to see it holding there. Yeah, that's a big one. But again, I want to Spy and QQQ are still holding. So I added for next week. I'm not gonna add for this week. Next week. Yeah, AI definitely looking weaker. I like what Meta is doing. I really like QQQ and Spy. Okay, 160 people watching and only 100 likes. I think we need a little more likes. I know AI is not doing what we wanted to do, but come on. It's up to you. Like the risk to reward and spy is very good here. Like you gotta have a plan. Your plan, if I'll be looking for spy calls, your stop loss is this green zone here. You wanna see it holding this. Otherwise, it's gonna keep going down and down and down. But QQQ looks stronger than SPY. Okay, guys, I'll be back in 1 minute. Have your alerts and you know what's the plan. And I'm back. Ooh, yeah, I really, really, really like QQQ. And when it's AI to do something. But I guess today and tomorrow we're gonna have like a low volume because of the Memorial Weekend. If Monday, is it gonna be the market close on Monday? Mm-mm-mm. But what a boring day. Spy is not and QQQ are not doing anything. Okay, so if we have market close on Monday, it's a long weekend tomorrow, and today the volume is gonna be lower, so we're not gonna have big move. Okay, time for a snack. Snack of the day. So we're gonna keep going with these bars, the barbells one. So far we have left the hazelnut, the white chocolate, and the salty peanut butter. I'm sorry, salty peanut, and the cookies and cream. I tried last week the cookies and cream, it was very good. We tried the creamy one yesterday. So right now I only have left the salty peanut, the hazelnut, and the white chocolate. Which one you guys want me to try today? Both. So which one's gonna be? We have three options. Three options. I kind of want to try either the salty peanut or the hazelnut. Brian won the white chocolate. Okay, let's vote. White chocolate, hazel, or salty peanut. Hazelnut. Okay, that's the one winning today. So it's gonna be this one. The macros are 210. This one has 210 calories. It has like 10 more calories than the rest, but it's fine. 20 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 18 grams of carbs. Well, if you have any contacts on the barbell company, you know, call me. Yeah, AI needs to move like, but I like what it's doing right now. See, I want to see it doing that. 28 hold, Look, on the 5 minute, it looks like it was losing 28, but if you see the 15, this is a bullish candle. On the 30 minutes, if we close like this on the 30 minutes, it's very bullish. Saturate fats. Okay. 3.5 grams of fats. But I like it. I really like these bars because they all have 20 grams of protein. The Quest have like 10 grams only or 15 sometimes, and same amount of calories. 200, sometimes 250. Look, QQQ is so beautiful. See, holding this support, and then we fill the gap on SPY, we fill the gap on AI, we fill the gap on Meta. Nvidia looks like it wants to go also, but again, I'm not playing Nvidia because the IV is too high, so contracts are crazy expensive. Mm. Palo Alto looks very good here. Kind of retested this resistance. It's holding very good, so that's another one that also I can see it going higher. Anybody took QQQ or SPY out of this support here? Out of the 337 support on QQQ and the 412.50 support on SPY. QQQ, I think it was well here because okay it was holding this support, and I noticed on the daily this your resistance here. So for me, your previous resistance should act as support. Awesome, QQQ, awesome. QQQ and SPY, yeah, so clean. Awesome. More likes, more likes. Okay, so oh, yummy. It looks so good. Look. Mm, mm. It's really good. Mm. Taste like the milk chocolate. Like the Swiss brand. Mm. Mm. Yeah, like this one. Mm. So good. No, I didn't move my stop loss. It's holding 28. Mm. The barbells. That's the name of the brand. Tesla. What's Tesla doing? Mm. 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 So far, this daily on Tesla looks bullish. Even if it goes a little bit lower here, you want to see it above 180. You want to see it holding 180. I would like to see Tesla daily closing either at 180, yeah, around 182, 183. It's so good. Mm. So far, this flavor is winning over the creamy crunch and the cookies and cream. But this one looks very good. Haven't tried that one. AMD. I don't feel like swinging AMD or Nvidia, honestly. But let's see what AMD is doing. Mm. So I don't know. I honestly, it's kind of difficult for me to trade something that is up so much. So what I see on AMD, it's you wanted to hold these support. Everything above 115.80, 116, it's good for you if you're in calls. Otherwise, it's gonna go back down to 109, 1010 to fill the gap. Okay. Yeah, push QQQ. No, I'm not in QQQ, but I gave you the play. So the QQQ play was very easy. Yeah, and meta also out of the that gap fill. Yeah, see? Fill the gap and bounce in there. And now meta, you want to see it holding here, what it is right now. You want to see it holding either 250, 252. AI, you want to see it holding the support here. Yep, that's your support here, right here, around 2780, 2760. But it's kind of weak. Yeah, it's definitely weak. So if you see the market going down and lose, if honestly, if I'm gonna hold AI as long as SPY and QQQ are holding this support here on SPY and QQQ are, if QQQ is holding this 336.50 support. Otherwise, I'm gonna sell my AI and take my L. You know, sometimes good, sometimes shit. Nvidia is looking very good. Look, keeps holding this support here around 380. It's holding VWAP and an EMA. You want to see it doing that. In fact, we want to see Nvidia going higher, so that might help the market to move and do something. But look how beautiful that a QQQ support acted like. Look, couldn't be more perfect. Your previous resistance completely acting as support. Your target should be your next resistance on any play. Okay, so look the 30 minutes here. I'm gonna take this out. That's very bullish. This candle here, perfect. Yeah, it's this live. This is live, live, live. Live from Miami. Cute, 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 you're cute. The market was just trying to like scare us. It was trying to freak us out. But we're holding very good. Um so this is why Apple moved with wait with SPY, because Apple is 7.24% on SPY, Microsoft is 6.56, Amazon is 2.70. So the big ones are gonna move SPY and the other way around too. Yeah, Apple is the biggest holding on SPY. It's 7.24, and then everything goes lower there. And Nvidia is 1.96, Microsoft almost 6.60, Amazon is 2.70, Alphabet is 1.61, Meta 1.53. So basically, if you had the big tech moving high, they're gonna move SPY higher. If they're going lower, SPY is gonna move lower. And QQQ is mainly tech. So QQQ is Microsoft is 13.33%. Apple is 12.64. Amazon is 6.32. Nvidia is 5.20. Meta 4.6. 406. Alphabet A class is 3.31. I'm sorry, 3.81. And Z class is 3.74. Tesla 3%. And then everything down. So Microsoft is the biggest holding on QQQ, and then the second one is Apple. Yeah, QQQ and SPY move different because QQQ is mainly tech. SPY has a lot of tech, but also have like health, um, oil. Also, you have different sectors. Even a bank. So let's just say tech is red on the day. If financials are green, SPY could move higher, and QQQ is gonna go lower because tech is red. I think AI, you gotta be patient with that one. But yeah, Meta was way better. And QQQ, I've been talking about QQQ all morning. QQQ was way better than AI. AI is not doing anything. It right now it's looking just like Nvidia. Nvidia looks a little bit better. But if Nvidia wakes up, man, QQQ, Spy, Meta are gonna fly. But look at this. This was so beautiful here. If you took QQQ, what's your percentage on that trade right now? How much you're up? I don't care about your P&L. I like to know what's the percentage on your play. Come on, AI. Hmm. Awesome. 40%. Awesome. Even even though I didn't got in QQQ, I'm happy that you guys got it. Very happy. So now I want to see Spy holding 414. That would be perfect if we can hold 414 and then we go higher to 417. Because for me this candle it's bullish. So I don't really I wait for bigger time frames to tell me if it's really holding or not. I don't use the 5 minutes for that. So in the 1 hour, if you see the 1 hour candle, for me this is holding 28. If I see the 30 minutes, we're kinda almost there. Obviously, if this candle is closing below, like below, yeah, I wanna see you wanna see it holding here. That's I said this is your support. 27.84 is your support. So far, we're holding here. This candle is very bullish, and this one is turning bullish too. So I don't sell if it's only like touching my stop loss, because I want to see what's the bigger picture, what's the bigger time frame telling me. Look, Nvidia. Nvidia, what type of candle is this? Yeah, definitely flagging here. Yeah, you could add more here. but again, I don't want to say like when you want to add, when you want to close. You gotta have your like your plan. You gotta know how much you're willing to risk on one trade. Yeah. So for me, I'm still in. For me, these candles here on the bigger time frames are bullish. And I always said that I wanted that AI was gonna fill the gap, and already did. Yeah, Dragonfly Doji. Um, that's either indecision or change of direction at support. Damn, who took Meta out of that gap fill at 249, 250? If you are in QQQ calls, I would take some profit here. That's your high of the day. I would take some profits there. Yeah, that's high of the day, and that's your pre-market high also. Yeah, I didn't took it either. So I'm kind of sad that I didn't took QQQ when I've been talking about how much I like that QQQ hold. But yeah, that's how I trade. I don't like trading too many things at the same time. But yeah, you could, like on this stream, you could have taken QQQ, SPY, Meta. Mostly QQQ and Meta because I've been talking non-stop about both of those on Netflix. Okay. Look how bullish this daily candle is so far on Meta. That's very bullish. That's holding above resistance. Meta is gonna fly there. Nvidia is moving. Yeah, I'm very happy you guys took Meta and QQQ. Um, Brian, that's why I sell a few contracts and then I hold a few more. No, I'm sorry. I don't hold a few more. I most of the time on my first PT, I sell like 70% of my entire position and then I leave some runners. So I sell 70% on my first PT and then on my second PT I sell a little bit more and then at the end I leave like 2 or 3 runners. It depends how much it cost me each contract. Yeah. Look at this. This is what I use bigger time frame. I don't care if it touched 28. For me, this is a hold. This is holding 28. That's why I don't sell if it a stock only touch my stop loss. My first target, it's gonna be 30.50. So it's gonna be this here, 30.50. You can do 21, I'm sorry, 20, yeah, 20, 29 if you have weekly. But for next week, it's gonna, for me, it's 30, 31, and 33. 32 and 33. Mm, wait, I need to charge my phone. Okay. Oh, Fed speaker right now? That's gonna mess up the market. So, yeah. Okay, so now you want to see QQQ holding this support, this resistance here. You want to see it holding a support. So you want to see it holding 339.57, 339.50, around there. If you want to enter I will say enter for next week, not for this week, because um just want to take some risk off. It's not moving too much right now. I love that it's holding 28. Like, I really love these 30 minutes candles here. That's very bullish at support. With these weeks, yeah, very bullish. But yeah, we'll enter next week. Awesome. Next week, great. What are you guys playing? That any trades today beside QQQ? Ooh, look, Meta. Meta is flagging above. Well, you want to see it holding this resistance here, hold it at support. And it's kind of flagging there. So yeah. Tesla. Why Tesla? Mhm. Okay. Yeah. Tesla definitely did a V recovery here. And Tesla for a swing, I think Tesla was very good as long as it's holding 182. TSM. What TSM? I saw a lot of people talking about TSM on the Discord. I don't know why. What's with TSM? I never play TSM, honestly. It's very weird if I trade TSM. This is so slow. Okay. Okay, I had. Okay, flew. That's a big gap on TSM, like huge, from 90 till 97. That's a huge gap. I see on the weekly, this is like a wedge here. Brian, what did you saw on TSM? Why do you play TSM? 105 is your next resistance. It's like weekly resistance there. One oh five. It's running with NVIDIA. And how is the IV on TSM? Is it lower than AMD and obviously lower than NVIDIA? Oh yeah, it looks great. Oh, that was okay. TSM, yeah, that was a look. This how beautiful break and retest of this resistance here. Broke this 9780 resistance, and then went back down to touch it, and then hold and keeps going. And you can use also the 90 MA. Yeah, this is a perfect. What time is it? 1:25. Um, what day is it? Wait. 20. So, um, TSM here is like a perfect 90 MA example, like how to use 90 MA. It's basically holding the entire stock, and let's take out the VWAP here. So you had a break and retest of your resistance, and then using the 90 MA as support here all the time. Never broke the 90 MA, it's keep going higher here. So I will be holding this. Like if I had TSM, I think it will be like very easy to hold until it breaks 90 MA or it breaks your next support. So you have support here at 100, and then your next support is here at 101.10, and your next one is around 101.70, and then you can keep going there. But yeah, the 90 MA is like perfect here on the 5 minutes. I don't like using the 90 MA on smaller time frames because it could get you out. See here, it could stop you out, but I like more on the 5 minutes because this is a little slower. On smaller time frames, the 90 MA, you're gonna see it like being inside some candles. But in the 5 minutes, I think it works perfectly. Yeah, TSM is a chip company. So if you want to trade TSM, you can wait for a 95 hold. Like you want to see something like going back down to 95, retest that resistance, and then holds, and you can take calls there. Yeah, that could be. I'm gonna put an alert there. This bull flag is on the weekly, so that's why you had like a huge move here. Obviously, Nvidia helped, but yeah. 95. Well, now that I'm checking the daily chart, 95. It's gonna be more like 98. Yeah, I'm gonna put almost 99 there. But you have a huge gap here and another one here. And your next resistance is 105. Microsoft. Damn, I wasn't looking Microsoft, but Microsoft, it's perfect, perfect break and retest here of previous resistance. Hold the 320, 321. That was beautiful. So let's see. What's the next resistance here on Microsoft? Oh, it's kind of resistance here at 326 is your resistance, and then you have a little gap to fill till 329. So yeah. Yeah, it's about to hit 326, which is resistance. QQQ's rejecting that pre-market high. Oh, it's 11:30. Almost time for breakfast for me. I really like Meta here. Meta holding above this resistance looks very bullish, but it needs the market to go higher. It needs the market to break QQQ, that 339.60, 339.61 resistance. I love breakfast. So, doesn't matter what time I'm eating my first meal, I always eat it as a breakfast. Ooh, it's been like a horrible day for me today. So boring, and AI, it's not doing anything, it's going down. But I'm happy that you guys took Meta and QQQ. Today it's been a little bit slower than I thought it's gonna be. Excuse me. Yeah, exactly, right? That's why it's called breakfast. So I guess I decided to play the only one that is not moving like the other like cheap stocks. I know AI is not cheap, it's AI, but still. I don't know if I like puts in this market. I know SPY is red, but still I don't love playing puts here. I think the market is too strong. Like what I'm looking right now is like because we had such a big gap from yesterday, the market, and we have Memorial Weekend, so the market might don't do anything. It just stay there flat. Maybe a little bit down because I need it's very healthy to cool off a little bit. Looks like AI is gonna stop me out. If we break this, if we cannot hold this low of the day, I'm getting out. Yeah, I'm getting ready. Okay, let's see. Are we gonna hold here or not? Yes, Bob. I'm in Vince's chat. Well, yeah. On the Discord. I'm on the Discord. Spy looks like it's wanna go back down to diesel board again. Mm-mm-mm. I'm honestly so bored that I want to like AI to stop me out already. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Thanks, Bob. Yeah, I'm here live streaming from Monday till Friday at 9:15 a.m. Okay, let's see AI it's gonna hold or not. Taking this out. I feel like everything stopped moving. Ooh, Microsoft broke the 9 EMA and it's probably gonna go down to the VWAP. So are we gonna hold this or not? Yes, no, yes, no. Dun, dun. I'm gonna check this out here. And yeah, spies. It's at support. Again. So today it's been horrible. Like we went down support and then we bounced back and then we rejected morning high and then we're back down to support and it looks like SPY wants to hold here. Yeah, I'm gonna be selling all AI if breaks the support. We'll see. So far, it looks like we're about to break that support because this is a very engulfing. This is an engulfing bearish candle. So the direction is gonna be, if we close like this, the direction is gonna be keep being lower. And we're holding. Okay. Let's see, let's see. No, I'm not holding anything other than AI. Okay. Okay. Are you gonna break this support or are you gonna bounce here? What's gonna happen here? Hurry. I'm hungry. I know, right? Give us some green. But even if it holds here, I don't like this. This candle is very bearish. But it still has 14 minutes to close. And we're bouncing. Let's see. look this daily on SPY. It's crazy that we keep trading between 416, 415, and 410. So SPY, it's not doing anything. Like, it's weird. And honestly, it's very difficult to trade when you don't have like a clear trend. Like, this is not a uptrend or the downtrend. Like, you can say a little bit it's a uptrend, but it's not the best one. How's the daily here? Okay, the daily, this is a red engulfing candle, but I still see a uptrend here. We can do something like this. So your next support is 27.11. The 4 hour. Yeah, definitely 27. 27 is your next support. Okay, I'm getting ready to get out of here. This is too boring. So basically, I'm gonna hold AI weekly, like this week. If we keep holding this support for next week contracts, I'm gonna hold if it holds 27. So I'm gonna have two stop loss. Uh, please don't follow me if you have too much if you're getting nervous with this play, or don't put too much money in here. This is a high risk one because I'm holding below my stop loss. So okay, my stop loss for the weekly ones is gonna be if we lose this support here, and my stop loss for the next week's contract is if we hold 27. That's gonna be my play. Also watch SPY. If SPY loses this support, everything's gonna go lower. But so far, SPY is holding. Meta looks very good, looks way better than AI. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So not the best day for me, but it's still, I'm not like, I'm happy that you guys took Meta, that you make a little some money on Meta and QQQ. QQQ right now looks a little bit bearish. It can go down to the VWAP here to 338.17. But I think as long as QQQ is holding this support here, it's still bullish. Meta looks amazing. It's holding support and it's doing exactly what you want it to do if you are in calls. It's flagging at near support resistance, which it's telling you it's way stronger than the market. But still, if you want to see Meta moving or AI moving, you need the market to move. So that's it for the day. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the likes. See you tomorrow, hopefully with better trades. But yeah, bye.